Luxury mansions look perfect from the outside, quiet, polished, effortless. But behind every glowing chandelier and flawless marble floor is a hidden expense. And those hidden costs can transform a dream home into a financial trap. If you've ever stepped into a luxury mansion, even for a moment, you know the feeling it creates. The silence feels expensive. The air smells like fresh money, and every detail from the lighting to the flooring pulls you deeper into the fantasy. It's the kind of atmosphere that makes you imagine waking up every morning to perfection, with sunlight gently sliding across marble floors and a pool waiting outside like a private paradise. But here's the part almost nobody prepares you for. The dream is easy to fall in love with, and the lifestyle is easy to desire. But the reality that comes after the purchase is something real estate agents rarely mention. Agents are trained to sell the fantasy, not the full financial equation. They'll walk you through rooms that look like magazine covers, point out details you didn't even know were expensive, and highlight the lifestyle the home promises. But they skip the one thing that matters most: the ongoing responsibilities that start the moment you become the owner. Because a mansion isn't just a home, it's a constant project. It's a living, breathing system that requires money, time, attention, and expert involvement long after the papers are signed. The first shock new mansion owners usually experience is just how much maintenance a luxury property demands. A normal home needs cleaning. A mansion needs preservation. Everything inside it is high-end. The floors, the walls, the cabinetry, the ceilings, the fixtures. They're not just beautiful, they're delicate, premium, and often custom-made. That means they require expert care, not casual cleaning. Marble surfaces need sealing. Natural stone requires specific treatments. Oversized windows need professional handling, and designer lights or imported details can't be replaced with generic alternatives. And here comes the first internal hook. The bigger and more beautiful the mansion is, the more demanding it becomes. Luxury doesn't maintain itself. It constantly asks for attention. Then comes the reality of staffing. No matter how motivated you are, a mansion is not a property you can run alone. Even two people will struggle to keep up with its needs. Owners often think they'll manage things casually or hire someone occasionally, but the house quickly proves them wrong. Large homes require continuous cleaning, monitoring, inspection, and care. The more amenities the mansion has, the more professionals you eventually need. At some point, owners realize they're not just living in a home. They're managing a small operation. The mansion doesn't adjust to your schedule. It creates its own schedule, and you must adapt to it. That's another hidden hook most agents skip because it can scare potential buyers away. Insurance is another area that becomes more complicated than expected. Luxury homes need specialized coverage, not generic home insurance. These properties contain valuable materials, expensive systems, and designs that cost more to repair or replace. Insurance companies treat that as higher risk, which means the owner must secure policies that match the home's build quality and scale. If the property has features like pools, spas, theaters, or high-tech systems, that adds more layers of liability. And when staff routinely enter the home, additional protections become essential. It's not that insurance is difficult. It's that it becomes an ongoing responsibility owners weren't expecting. Here's a hook worth emphasizing. Everything in a mansion comes with a higher standard, including the insurance that protects it. Utilities also catch many owners off guard. A mansion consumes energy like a small resort. Heating large rooms, cooling massive open spaces, running pools or spas, powering smart systems, and keeping the home functioning creates a constant demand for electricity, gas, and water. Even when you're not home, the property still requires power. Climate-controlled rooms, humidity-sensitive materials, security systems, lighting timers, and essential appliances must continue working to protect the house. The home behaves like you're living in it full-time, even when you're not. This is a detail agents rarely stress because it breaks the illusion that luxury living is effortless. Renovations bring their own silent shock. Buyers often believe they'll upgrade rooms later or modernize certain features. But luxury materials cannot be swapped for cheaper ones. Every renovation must match the original craftsmanship, materials, and design language of the home. Updating a kitchen, refreshing a bathroom, adding new lighting, or modifying layouts requires specialized designers, architects, and high-skilled contractors. What sounds like a simple project in a normal home becomes a complex task in a mansion. And here's the internal hook. The more unique the mansion's design is, the more costly and tedious every change becomes. Luxury is beautiful, but it's also unforgiving when it comes to renovations. Even a small update can trigger a chain reaction across multiple rooms. And by the time the work begins, most owners realize they've committed to a far bigger project than expected. Legal and regulatory responsibilities also exist behind the scenes. Luxury neighborhoods often have strict rules, high community standards, and specific requirements for exterior and interior modifications. Some homes fall under architectural guidelines that restrict changes. Others require permits for nearly every modification, even minor adjustments like adding outdoor lighting or altering landscaping. Luxury communities prioritize uniformity, safety, and property value preservation. This means owners must follow procedures that are often longer, more complex, and more expensive than expected. It's not something agents bring up during tours, because it introduces inconvenience into a moment that's supposed to feel exciting. Yet ignoring these rules can lead to costly fines and forced reversals of completed work. And once owners experience their first approval process, they understand that luxury neighborhoods run on regulations, not convenience. Technology introduces even more hidden responsibilities. Modern luxury mansions are deeply connected with smart systems. Lighting, music, blinds, climate control, security cameras, gates, entertainment systems, and even water features can be controlled through apps or centralized panels. While this level of convenience is impressive, it also creates dependency on technology. Systems malfunction, sensors fail, software updates interrupt functionality, and integrations break. And when something does go wrong, you can't exactly fix it yourself. You need technicians who specialize in the specific system installed in that home. Different mansions use different brands and configurations, which means you need experts, not general electricians. This creates a new ongoing relationship between the homeowner and technology professionals. Outdoor spaces are another silent expense that owners underestimate. Luxury gardens, water features, landscapes, sculpted greenery, pools, outdoor kitchens, and entertainment zones look incredible, but nature works against all of them. Plants outgrow their shape, trees drop debris, soil shifts, water systems clog, insects appear, and outdoor structures face constant heat, moisture, and environmental pressure. Keeping outdoor spaces beautiful requires continuous professional care. You're not maintaining a simple backyard. You're preserving an outdoor showcase that reflects the prestige of the home. The hook here is simple. The more beautiful the outdoors look in the listing, the more effort it will require from you after purchase. And finally, there's the myth that luxury homes always appreciate in value. Many agents encourage the belief that buying a mansion is automatically a smart investment. But luxury markets don't behave like standard markets. The buyer pool is smaller. Economic shifts affect high-end properties more dramatically. Architectural styles change. Modern features make older designs less appealing. And high maintenance costs can discourage potential buyers. While luxury homes can appreciate, they can also stagnate or fluctuate significantly. Appreciation is possible but not guaranteed. This is one of the biggest truths rarely spoken during a property tour. So how do you know whether a luxury mansion is right for you? The answer is simpler than most people expect. A mansion should enhance your lifestyle, not control it. The responsibility that comes with owning such a property should feel manageable, not overwhelming. Luxury is enjoyable only when you have the comfort, time, and resources to support it without stress. A mansion becomes a dream when you can maintain it comfortably, but it becomes a burden when the hidden responsibilities outweigh the beauty. Luxury mansions are extraordinary, inspiring, and undeniably impressive. But they come with another side, one that agents don't emphasize because it's harder to sell. The hidden costs, the maintenance, the staff, the repairs, and the long-term responsibilities all exist quietly behind the polished perfection. And understanding them is the difference between buying a dream and buying a lifelong obligation. If this video opened your eyes to the reality behind luxury living, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and tell me in the comments. Would you still buy a mansion after knowing the truth?